Principle number 2, in a way that upholds public trust and confidence in the solicitor's profession and legal services provided by authorized persons. So we must act in such a way. So what is specific about this particular principle?
This one's quite interesting because it's quite broad. And I've seen decisions made by the Solicitors Disciplinary Tribunal where there have been references to things that have been done outside of a person's professional practice that would perhaps damage the public trust and confidence in the profession generally. Things that people have done in their personal lives, things people have said on social media and things like that, that maybe call the profession into disrepute. So if people are adopting maybe professionally practices that make solicitors look shady, maybe they're, looking for clients in a way that is prohibited, like this whole idea of, more common in the US, but the idea of like ambulance chasing for personal injury claims. It may call the profession into disrepute, and it undermines the public trust and confidence that people have in solicitors. And then again, also on the other side of it, there is the way people comport themselves in their personal lives, which again could sometimes be linked back to the profession that they're involved in as a solicitor.
So just to remember, the first criteria is more about administration of justice, the rule of law, more general thing. Then it's a little bit more specific. It's about the profession now, so solicitor's profession.